In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your sales tax in QuickBooks Online using the Prepare Return workflow. Hi everyone! If you collect sales tax in QuickBooks Online, this walkthrough will help you confidently review your return and either mark it as filed or pay it right inside QuickBooks. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in. For best results, use a supported, up-to-date browser and make sure your user role has access to taxes. Once you're in, look to the left menu and select Taxes, then choose Sales Tax. This brings you to the Tax Overview, where you can see upcoming deadlines and what's due. Scroll to the All Returns section. Here, locate the next return to file. In the Action column, click Open. This opens the details for the specific filing period you're working on. Now click Prepare Return. QuickBooks will compile the sales tax report for the selected period, based on your sales, taxable sales, and any purchase activity you've recorded. Before you move forward, take a moment to verify the key amounts. Review. Collected on sales to confirm the tax your customers were charged. Then check Paid on Purchases, which reflects eligible tax paid on purchases if your agency allows credits. Look at adjustments, if any were entered, for example, for rounding or agency-approved corrections. Finally, confirm the total tax due. If something doesn't look right, compare these figures to your underlying sales and expense reports and make any necessary corrections to your transactions before returning to the Prepare Return screen. It's important that these numbers match your records because they flow directly into what you file and pay. When everything looks correct, decide how you want to finalize. If you've already filed and paid your return outside QuickBooks, choose Mark as filed. This records the filing in your books without sending a payment. If you want to pay directly through QuickBooks, click Pay Now. Select your payment account, the bank account you want the funds to come from. Enter the payment date, making sure it aligns with your filing deadline to avoid penalties. Double-check that the amount exactly matches what you reviewed in the prepared return. Accuracy here ensures your books and your tax agency's records stay in sync. When you're ready, click Submit Payment to process it through QuickBooks. If you're not ready to send the payment yet but want to keep your progress, click Save. That way you can return and complete the payment when you're set. And that's it. You've prepared and either filed or paid your sales tax using QuickBooks Online's Prepare Return workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.